Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Toyota Highlander Platinum. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 295 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Captain's chair in the rear. Third row seating. Highlander Platinum all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, fold down third row seats, blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, heated and cooled seats, rear view backup camera, navigation, USB ports, cup holders are different driving modes, automatic transmission. This Highlander has 26,020 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota Highlander, check out feldmanimports.com.